Hello guys! Did you know that Solana NFTs tier brings a boom package? NFTs are increasing in popularity and Solana NFTs are starting to take the spotlight. This is Crypto Talks, where we talk about cryptocurrency and all you need to know in the world of finance. In this video, we will be talking about the 3 SOL NFTs mints not to miss. These projects will help you in your cryptocurrency venture. So what are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's begin. Despite the recent drop in the overall crypto market value, Solana, or SOL, is the only cryptocurrency in the top 10 that is still rising. SOL did dip down after reaching an all-time high, but it quickly recovered. Solana's price has risen by more than 13,200% due to its profit margin. This insane price increase is mainly due to rampant user adoption. We have become aware of Solana's core technology. That's why it has received a lot of attention from mainstream users. People are looking for a marketplace that is not only efficient, but also extremely affordable in terms of gas fees, with NFTs being the hot topic. This is what makes Solana the clear winner. Solana now supports 65,000 TPS and only costs 0.00025 per transaction. Also, because it uses proof of history in combination with proof of stake, there is no delay in block generation, making the blockchain extremely fast and reasonably decentralized. Nothing beats Solana at the moment. Getting a Phantom wallet and playing with various Solana projects is the best method to learn why people are minting more and more SOL. When you experience the ecosystem from the inside, you will realize how fast and inexpensive Solana truly is. Back to NFTs. Solana is starting to feature some fantastic projects with outstanding roadmaps and online communities. In fact, its dramatic boom initially began after the release of one of its top NFT collections. Secondly, when users came to the Solana marketplace to buy an NFT, they found it easier and less extensive than other Ethereum-based marketplaces. Now we will look at some of the best Solana NFTs to mint and how they achieved such a high value so quickly. So, let's get started. Number 1. Solana Monkey Business. When talking about blue-chip collections on Solana, NFT traders' minds usually go to Solana Monkey Business, SMB. Solana Monkey Business is a popular and well-known NFT project on the Solana blockchain. The Solana Monkey Business community has grown tremendously, even establishing its own DAO, Monkey DAO, as a community-established DAO. Most of the 5,000 NFT profile pictures are of smiley, unique pixelated monkeys. The Solana Monkey Business has approximately 99 traits and 6 generative layers, with some of the rarest commanding substantial sell-side premiums. Currently, there are 2 collections, SMB Gen 1 and SMB Gen 2. SMB Gen 1 includes 4 different space-themed monkey NFTs. Holding each type of monkey from SMB Gen 1, a Monkanician, an Astro Monkey, a Monko, and a Monkalien grants the holder royalties on every Gen 2 trade. SMB Gen 2, the sequel to the original SMB collection, has 5,000 additional monkeys following the original collection and trading on the Solana blockchain. These monkeys come with owner-exclusive benefits like NFT ownership and a community wallet usable by holders with a long-term on-chain voting system. Since SMB lives on the Solana blockchain, it stores its metadata on Arweave, one of the most reputable decentralized storage options. SMB also has a unique royalty system that sets the project and Solana's environmental efficiency apart compared to its less efficient cousin Ethereum. Each monkey is created from 99 different features with varying rarity, which means some monkeys are rarer than others. Owners of SMB NFTs also gain privileged access to the community of Monkey DAO, the first NFT DAO on the Solana network. Solana Monkey Business has the potential to be the next huge NFT project, similar to Bored Apes or CryptoPunks of Solana NFTs. If you want to buy SOL, go to CEX or Bitpanda and send it to your Phantom or Solflare wallet. The current SMB monkey floor price is 175 SOL, which means that the cheapest monkey will cost you roughly $30,000. However, because SMB is one of Solana's most popular NFT projects, you could be purchasing the next Bored Ape if Solana NFTs continue to gain popularity. SMB is definitely the best investment, there is no doubt. SMB is one of the collections that set the standard. Well, hello there. We've made it halfway through our list and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Number 2. Boryoku Dragonz. I love dragons. Boryoku Dragonz reminds me of My Pet Dragon cartoon. Boryoku Dragonz is a Solana exclusive collection of 1,111 dragon NFTs, with each dragon earning passive income in the form of the Boku cryptocurrency for its owners. This project differs from most NFT collections because it provides holders with unique services such as daily token airdrops, a breeding game, and token burning mechanics. How adorable is this? The Boku token is also used for dragon breeding and hatching. Breeding 2 Boryoku Dragonz and some Boku will produce a dragon egg, which can be expedited with 350 Boku. According to the Boryoku Dragonz team, governance behind the Boku token is being modeled using economic theory and statistical modeling, with simulations being run to find a balance between supply and demand. Boryoku Dragonz project team has also purchased land in the metaverse game The Sandbox as part of their ambition of expanding out Boryoku Village into a Boryokuverse reality. Boryoku Dragonz NFT holders receive 7 Boku tokens every day for each dragon owned. Because the Boku is worth approximately $3 for each token, holders can easily earn $28.50 per day. If the price of Boku remains the same, you will make more than $11,000 per year just by owning a Boryoku Dragon. There is a chance that the Boku token will go back to its all-time high price of $19.76. You will make $138.32 every day and more than $50,000 per year only by holding one Boryoku Dragonz NFT. Boryoku Dragonz can be purchased at Magic Eden. However, if you purchased one Boryoku Dragon, you would be able to recoup your investment in 2 years by receiving daily Boku token airdrops. Furthermore, if the Boku token recovers to or exceeds its previous high, you will have made your money back in less than a year. Isn't this amazing? I must say, Boryoku Dragonz is a great choice for any serious NFT collector. If you really want to make money, seriously, think about Boryoku Dragonz. Number 3. Solsteads. Solsteads is Solana's first surreal estate collection with 2,472 unique homes that also serve as digital real estate. Each Solstead NFT comes with a unique street address, such as 791 Battle Street, as well as a stunning, surreal art-style home. Solsteads can also be used as galleries to display any Solana or NFTs you own. This is possible due to their Solsteads directory, so in a sense, your other NFTs can live inside your Solstead. For example, you may have a Lotus Gang group living with some Solana monkeys, galactic geckos, and pesky penguins. You could also use your Solstead as an opportunity to show off your rare and collectible NFTs to everyone else. Your chief guest will be MTV Cribs on the Solana blockchain with famous NFT. You'll also be able to create an image of your citizen with a background that matches the biome of the Solstead they're staying in. Then, all you need to do is ensure that your other NFTs are kept in the same wallet as your Solstead. In my opinion, Solsteads has a lot of potential to become a blue-chip Solana NFT. The project features a unique use case and limited supply, and it supports both Solana and Ethereum NFTs. This is yet another initiative that serious NFT investors should look into. This project brings the joy back to minting. Everyone will have access to the mint for 5 minutes, no grinding for presale lists, no stressing about bots, just mint what you want. You have no idea what will happen with this, and you will love it. Let's now sum up today's video. As Solana and NFTs continue to grow in popularity, I can't wait to see how their new projects turn out. If you're holding any Solana NFTs, you could be sitting on a considerable fortune. Great job! You've now learned about highly potent SOL NFTs to mint right now. These NFTs have potential to come back with 10 times more power in the future. So what do you think of them? Are you as curious to learn more about them as we are? It's your turn. Let us know in the comment section. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Crypto Talks, and we'll see you in our next video.